Stellantis has revealed the 2026 Ram 1500 RHO, a high-performance truck powered by a 540-horsepower, hurricane-high-output straight-six turbo engine built to dominate on and off-road. To match its raw power with an aggressive sound, Stellantis partnered with MagnaFlow through Ram's Direct Connection Affiliated Accessories program, introducing two catback exhaust systems, the SPEQ Series, $2,089, and the xMOD Series, $2,999. Both feature 3-inch stainless steel tubing, dual 5-inch black chrome tips, and no drone technology for a drone-free cabin. Available via Mopar e-store or Ram dealerships, these systems enhance performance and style, though buyers should check local noise laws. The SPEQ Series delivers a deep, resonant tone that roars under acceleration, but stays refined for daily driving, thanks to no drone technology. Built from stainless steel with CNC precision, it ensures durability and a perfect fit with dyno-proven power gains and a bold look. The xMOD Series offers 6 sound configurations via interchangeable modules: Extreme Deletes, Race for a raw roar, Muffler Module Comp for a bold tone, and SPEQ Module, NDT, for drone-free cruising. Swappable via V-band clamps, it includes valve options for customization, backed by MagnaFlow's lifetime construction warranty. The RHO's interior blends luxury and functionality, featuring premium leather seats with wed stitching, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen. Carbon fiber accents, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and off-road focus controls elevate the cabin, while heated and ventilated seats ensure comfort. Sound insulation pairs with MagnaFlow's no-drone technology for a refined yet thrilling experience, making the RHO ideal for both rugged adventures and daily commutes. The RHO's exterior screams performance with a widened stance, 35-inch all-terrain tires, and a unique hood with heat extractors. The dual 5-inch black chrome MagnaFlow tips complement the aggressive grille and LED headlights. Skid plates, flared fenders, and a bedliner option enhance durability, while vibrant color options like flame red amplify its bold presence, perfectly matching the exhaust's commanding roar. MagnaFlow's stainless steel systems ensure durability, with no drone technology keeping the cabin quiet during relaxed drives. The 5-inch tips, with double-wall, angle-cut design, resist heat discoloration and enhance the RHO's rugged aesthetic. Reviewer Tim Esterdall praised the SPEQ Series for its visceral feel without being overbearing, while xMOD's Extreme Deletes deliver a throatier sound, as seen in MagnaFlow's videos. These premium upgrades match the RHO's 540 horsepower potential with commanding presence. Visit MagnaFlow.com or Ram dealerships to unleash the RHO's roar.